Presenting the GMC 2015 Sierra 1500 SLE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include Preferred Equipment Group 3SA, SLE Value Package, trailering equipment, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system and radio, AM/FM stereo with 8 diagonal color touchscreen. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.